Hi, I'm David. Let's look at this problem. We're given the function f of x equals 2x minus 5 and g of x equals 4 minus 3x. And we're asked to find four things. We're asked to find the sum of the two functions, the difference of the two functions, the product of the two functions, and the quotient of the two functions. So f of x plus g of x, f of x minus g of x, f of x times g of x, and f of x divided by g of x. So let's see what we get here. When I add together two functions, it's really just adding together exactly what I have. So I have 2x minus 5 plus 4 minus 3x. I rewrite f of x, I put a plus, and I rewrite g of x. Now if I want, I can simplify a little bit. I can combine like terms. 2x minus 3x is a minus x, and negative 5 plus 4 is a minus 1. So this new function is f of x plus g of x. Now, in this problem right here, I put the two functions in parentheses, but I didn't really have to because I was adding them. For this new function, f of x minus g of x, the parentheses are really important. So I'll do the same thing, 2x minus 5, but now minus a 4 minus 3x. The parentheses are important here because I'm subtracting the 4 and I'm subtracting the negative 3x. So I could rewrite this without parentheses as 2x minus 5 minus 4 minus a negative 3x is plus 3x. If I hadn't written these with parentheses, it would not be correct. Remember, I'm subtracting the entire function g of x. And I can simplify this again by combining like terms. 2x plus 3x is 5x, and negative 5 minus 4 is negative 9. So my new function, f of x minus g of x, is 5x minus 9. Okay, when I take the product of two functions, parentheses are also important here. So this will be 2x minus 5 times 4 minus 3x. Now when I do this, I need to remember how to multiply two binomials together. So first let's multiply their first terms. 2x times 4 is 8x. And then I'll multiply this 2x by the negative 3x. 2x times negative 3x is negative 6x squared. And then I'll multiply all these terms by negative 5. So negative 5 times 4 is negative 20. And negative 5 times negative 3x is a positive 15x. Now if I wanted to rewrite this, the only terms that are in common are the 8x and the 15x. I could combine those into a 23x, and I'd still have this minus 6x squared and this minus 20. So f of x times g of x is 23x minus 6x squared minus 20. Okay, this last function, first of all, is only defined as long as g of x is not equal to 0. If g of x is equal to 0, I've got a function divided by 0, and that's undefined. It has no definition. But as long as g of x does not equal 0, which it doesn't always equal 0, I can rewrite this as 2x minus 5 divided by 4 minus 3x. Now, in the previous three problems, we simplified afterwards. In this case, we don't really have to simplify. I could take away those parentheses if I wanted, 2x minus 5 over 4 minus 3x. But it looks like simplifying won't really help us out here. This is a pretty simplified answer as it is. So f of x divided by g of x is just 2x minus 5 over 4 minus 3x. So we can add together functions, we can subtract functions, we can multiply functions, and we can divide functions. A big important part here is to remember to include parentheses, especially when you're subtracting or multiplying. Thanks for watching.